Welcome back to my channel, guys. In this video, I want to simplify this exponential expression. Alright, solution. We have fifth root of x raised to the power 3, fifth root of x raised to the power 3, multiplied by cube root of x raised to the power 2. Alright, so one of the laws of indices or exponents says that if you have root a, the same thing as a raised to the power 1 over 2. Okay, so now the root becomes the denominator of this fraction, while the power is this numerator. Okay, so and that is what we are doing in this case. For example, if we have x root of a raised to the power y, it becomes a raised to the power y over x. Alright, so the x is the root, while the y still remains the power. That is what we are applying here. Alright, so this one becomes x raised to the power 3 over 5 multiplied by this becomes x raised to the power 2 over 3. Alright, so from here we are going to apply another law of indices or exponents that says that if we have a raised to the power x multiplied by a raised to the power y, it becomes a raised to the power x plus y. That is what we are applying here. So we have x raised to the power 3 over 5 plus 2 over 3. Okay, so now what's the LCM? The LCM is 15. I'm going to write 15 here. How many 5 can we see in 15? It is 3. 3 times this 3 gives 9. Plus, how many 3 can we see in 15? Is 5. 5 times 2 gives 10. Okay, and then from there we can have our final answer. X raised to the power 9 plus 10 is 19 over 15. Okay, so we can write it this way, or we can also write it as this 15th root of x raised to the power 19. Right, remember that this becomes the root and this still remains the power. So our answer can be this or it can be this. Alright, so let's try this. Let's try this. Simplify fourth root of x raised to the power 1 over 2 multiplied by square root of x. Alright, so let's simplify this and write our answer in the comment section. Alright, thanks guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and if you have not subscribed to this channel, please and please do subscribe.